Hey Hooper, it's Deanne Love here. In this tutorial, I am going to be sharing with you the full choreography that I taught at the Creo Hoop Convention in Rio, Brazil recently. It was amazing. Imagine like 90 to 100 hoopers in this huge, incredible glass dome, and we all did this wild, sassy, and hot choreography to Prince's remix of When Doves Cry. So in this video, I am going to show you what it looked like, although it's just me, not a whole sea of hoopers. So I won't be doing any of the formations or movement. I'm just going to show you the one-woman show. And then in the next tutorial, I am going to break down all of the moves. So let this video be your inspo, and then I'll leave some links below for the whole breakdown. It's pretty long, but you're going to love it. You're going to have a full song, and then you can turn it into your own. It's amazing. Let's rock it.
To give you the picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. The sweat of your body covers me. Can you, my darling, can you picture this? Dreaming you can, a courtyard, an ocean of violets in bloom. Animals try curious poses. They feel the heat between me and you. Just leave me standing alone in a world that's so cold. Maybe I'm just too demanding. Maybe I'm just like my father, too bold. Maybe you're just like my mother. She's never satisfied. Why do we scream at each other? This is what it sounds like when the doves cry. Oh, when they cry. This is what it sounds like when the doves cry. Touching you in my stomach. Feel how it trembles inside. You've got the butterflies all tied up. Don't make me chase you. Even doves have pride. So can you just leave me standing alone in a world that's so cold? Maybe I'm just too demanding. Maybe I'm just like my father, too bold. Maybe it's just like my mother. She's never satisfied. Why do we scream at each other? This is what it sounds like when the doves cry. This is what it sounds like when the doves cry. This is what it sounds like when the doves cry. Oh, when they cry. This is what it sounds like when the doves cry.
So there you have the full song. It's pretty sassy. You can see there's some freestyle on-body time for you to really rock out and let loose. And there are two choruses, so we repeat the same moves, and then there's that first verse. And we are going to break down all of those moves and techniques in the next video. So I'm going to see you over there. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Come over there and say hi. I'm at Deanne Love XO. And totally subscribe to this YouTube channel because I have so many tutorials and tips for you. Big hoop love from me to you. See you in the next video. Mwah.